all I want to do really with this video here is just really do a close-up on the Yeezys 450s. Just that I haven't really seen many videos on YouTube, so I thought I'd just do a bit of a close-up over all of the sneaker. Okay, I'll just run all the way around it. Okay. And as you can see, the back, that's a sort of like a brownish sort of creamish thing just at the back there. Looks like a bit of a stain, but it isn't. Okay, and there you'll see that back there, it's got two little marks. And that's meant to have that too. So like little indentations. It's a bit strange, isn't it, for some reason? Okay. And you can see, probably pick up the different colours. The colour just changes like to it. Sort of like a brownish sort of creamy sort of colour. Okay. That's the label. I don't know if there's anything on the back. And that's the back of the label. Obviously these ones have been made in Germany. I think they were limited run on these ones. They're going to reissue them when they do the slate colourway in a few months. So if you don't want to pay resale at the moment, you probably can wait. And that's just the sole of it. It's quite nice. It's got a bit of give in it. I haven't tried them on yet, but as I said, this is just mainly a look over of the sneaker. We have a look at the Adidas there. Hopefully that will focus. Okay, and now what I wanted to concentrate on is on this. Okay. And that's, apparently you tuck that under. You can see that. And what does this say on the back there? It's got Adidas. Okay. No, it's a very nice sneaker, this one. I'm really, really happy that I brought this. I had to pay resale, which is 720 Australian, but I would have paid 1,000 if they weren't going to reissue it, but I was just thought, no, I want these now, and I thought, if I don't win any raffles at all, I want these now. So I thought even if I won a raffle, I'll try and get in a larger size and I'll sell that and try and make some money back on the money that I've had to spend on these. Now we'll just go over to the box now. With the paper that's in there, it hasn't got Adidas or anything like that on there at all. It's just plain, sort of like a semi-wax sort of paper. Nothing else in the box at all. It's a strange box, this one, but it doesn't need to have it's like a slide sort of box that you would get. Nothing else on the side. Underneath, let's have a look what it says underneath. Adidas. And what does it say here? Just some recycling issues. And that, I think it is important, the box, because if you're getting a fake one, you really want to, I mean, if you're buying the, you're not sure if it's genuine or not. At the moment, you wouldn't have any problems because they haven't really, the fakes haven't started coming out. But in a few months, I guarantee you they will be coming out. Okay. Now we'll just have a look at the front label. I know it's just, all I just want to do is just show the shoe more than anything. All right, there's the box at the front there. Okay. Anyway, I just thought I'd just give you a quick going over of these sneakers, the 450's Cloud White. And I'm very, very happy I got these. Obviously, I didn't want to pay so much money, but it is what it is. Anyway, thank you very much. Bye.